Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aini. I will explain about the material Introduction to Linguistics. The topic number 1, language and linguistics. Number 2, classification of linguistics. Number 3, development of English. Number 4, structure of English. And number 5, historical of semantic functional linguistics. Number 6, psycholinguistics. Number 7, morphology. Number 8, semantics. Number 9, syntax. And number 10, social. First, language and linguistics. Language is a structured system of communication used by humans based on speech and gesture. And linguistics is the scientific study of language. Linguistics. The study of linguistics is very broad, just like other science. Example, history. History of the world, history of Islam, history of Indonesia, history of science, Athens. Development of English. English has been spoken in England since around 450. 449 is the date given by the Venerable Bede in his history, written in the early 8th century. And number 5, structure of English. Prefix is a word part added at the beginning of a word. Suffix change the meaning of a word. Synonym are words that are similar in meaning. Antonym are words that are opposite in meaning. Historical of systemic functional linguistics. According to system functional linguistics, the approach of language teaching consists of two grammar. There are systemic grammar and functional grammar. In systemic grammar, language is a part of a system of strategy. We cannot separate between language and strategy. Then, functional grammar is how to use language for metafunction. Meaning of language is the meaning of one thing can mean everything or nothing. Systemic functional linguistics talk about context. So, language means text. Every language a part is registered. Psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics is a branch of study which combines the disciplination of psychology and linguistics. 7. Morphology. Morphology is the study of the basic building block of meaning in language. This building block, called morphemes, are the small units of form that bear meaning or have a grammatical function. So, morphology is the study of word formation in a formal language. Then, semantics. Semantics is the study of the meaning of word and sentence. At its simplest, it is concerned with the relation of linguistics from the non-linguistic concept and mental representation in order to explain how sentences are understood by the speaker of language. 9. Syntax. Syntax is a branch of linguistics that studies the rules that govern the formation of sentence. And the last, social linguistics, a study that is concerned with the relationship between language and the content in which it's used. In other words, it studies the relationship between language and society. It explains when people speak differently in different social contexts. It discusses the social function of language and ways it is used to convey social meaning. Okay, thank you very much for me. Let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.